Welcome to our brief video tutorial on how to search the City of St. Louis's MWBE directory. First, you'll need to open your preferred internet browser. In this case, we're going to use Internet Explorer. You'll then navigate to our homepage at www.flystl.com/bdd. Click on Directories on the left-hand navigation bar, and then click on City of St. Louis MWBE Directory. This will take you directly to the search page for our directory. There are three primary ways that people will search our directory, either by business name, by business description, or by commodity code. The most effective way to find firms who perform work in a particular area is by utilizing the commodity code. So that's what we'll focus on in this training. In order to search by commodity codes, you want to click to look up commodity codes. This will then allow you to search the North American Industry Classification System for the appropriate NAICS code. If you know the number, you can enter the number. However, you can also enter a keyword in order to search for the appropriate area of work. In this case, we'll be searching for carpenters. So I'm going to enter carpent. Now, I would suggest that you limit your search term and not make it too broad like carpenter or carpentry. This way you'll be sure to capture as many examples as possible. One thing to note is once you've entered your keyword, you do not want to hit the enter key or it will bring up a list of the entire directory. Rather, you want to make sure that you click on the search button. This will bring up a list of all of the NAICS codes that include the keyword that you've listed. You will then want to add each of those codes that you would like to include. In this case, we're going to add 238130 carpentry contractors, as well as finished carpentry contractors 238350. Once you've added all of the ones that you would like to include, you want to scroll up where it says click to look up commodity codes and check the box for match any codes with the same number code and include lower level codes of those selected. Once you've checked those boxes and you've selected all of the codes that you would like to include, you're going to scroll to the bottom of the page and click search to get a list of the firms that are certified. Please note that if there are multiple descriptors with the same NAICS codes, for example, here where we have 238130 with the descriptor of carpentry, carpentry contractors, and carpentry, framing, you only need to select one of those to add to your list of codes. Match any codes with the same number code will ensure that all firms are captured. Then you scroll to the bottom of the page and click search. This will bring up a list of all firms that are currently certified and include those codes. You will see whether they have certifications as an MBE or a WBE or both. In order to look at a particular firm, then you can click on the hyperlink to their certification record. That will provide you with details about that particular firm, including their contact information, which you can see here, and the codes that they've been assigned. In addition, you are able to download the results in order to have an Excel or a CSV file that will allow you to more efficiently send out requests for bids. To download results, click Download Search Results. Check the box stating I'm not a robot. And this will provide you with a case-sensitive code that you need to enter in order to download the results. Enter that code and click either download to Excel or download to CSV based on your preference. In this case, I'm going to download to Excel. You can then either save the file directly to your computer or you can click Open to open the file. Please note that because this is coming from a web page, you will often get this error message indicating that the file does not match the file type, this is perfectly normal, and you can click yes that you want to go ahead and open it anyway. Now you have an Excel file that includes the company name, the owner's information, contact information, including their email address, and the areas of work in which they are certified. You can then use this contact information to reach out to solicit bids. That's the basic overview of how to utilize our MWBE certification directory. If you have questions, you're welcome to reach us at 314-426-8111 or by email at businessdiversity@flystl.com. Thank you.